When I tested OptiScaler 0.9 Pre-6 and Pre-7 on Red Dead Redemption 2, the results were honestly impressive. For this setup, I'm running FSR4 combined with DLDSR 2.25x together with XeSS 2.1 frame generation. The goal here isn't just higher FPS numbers, it's about frame consistency and fluid frames. Compared to older OptiScaler versions, both visual quality and overall performance are significantly better. In my experience, ghosting is no longer noticeable, and the HUD and crosshair flickering issues are completely fixed. This time, the HUD fix is doing a much better job than in previous versions, with no crashes at all. The game now produces much more stable, interpolated frames, which makes movement feel smoother and more natural. So in this video, I'll show you how to correctly configure OptiScaler in Red Dead Redemption 2 for the best balance between image quality and smooth gameplay. If you already have OptiScaler 0.9 Pre-6 or Pre-7 installed, let's jump straight into the settings. First, go into the Red Dead 2 graphics settings and change the display settings mode to borderless windowed. This is important because the XeSS frame generation only works in borderless mode. Next, enable DLSS and set it to quality mode. You can see I'm using ultra settings for most options, but a few are set to high because I'm running a higher resolution using DLDSR, which delivers a much sharper image but also puts more load on the GPU. You'll also notice my resolution is showing 1620p, that's because I'm using DLDSR 2.25x. At this resolution, enabling XeSS frame generation gives me better, smoother performance on my RTX 3060 Ti. As you can clearly see, with this higher resolution and ultra settings, my FPS is around 49. Now, press the insert key to open the OptiScaler menu and make sure the upscaler is set to FSR4. I already have it selected. Next, let's go ahead and activate frame generation. When I first enable frame generation, the FPS does increase, but the experience isn't fully stable. You may still notice FPS drops along with HUD and crosshair flickering. To fix this, go into the HUD fix settings and turn it on. Once this is applied, you'll see that HUD flickering and crosshair issues are completely gone, but the game still feels a bit stuttery and unstable. To fix this, go to the VSync option inside OptiScaler and turn it on. After enabling this, you'll immediately notice that the annoying lag and instability are almost completely gone. At this point, the game actually feels smoother than native performance, even with higher visual quality. With OptiScaler Pre-6 and Pre-7, the improvement over older versions is very clear. Frame pacing is better, smoothness is significantly improved, and the overall experience is far more stable. With this method, you get better image quality, no ghosting, no HUD flickering, and much smoother gameplay even when using demanding settings like DLDSR 2.25x. If you follow these steps correctly, you can comfortably enjoy ultra graphics with DLDSR enabled on an RTX GPU without the usual stability issues. I hope this tutorial helped you to figure out how to fix those annoying issues with the right settings on OptiScaler mod. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more optimization guides and performance tests. I'll be testing more games and OptiScaler updates soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.